The search engine Google is showing this doodle in few countries for Eugenie Brazier's 123rd birthday. Eugenie Brazier was a famous French chef, the first woman to earn 3 Michelin stars, turning Lyon into France's capital of gastronomy. Born a simple country girl in the hills of Bresse, she started her first restaurant, Mere Brazier, in 1921. Her emphasis on simplicity and fresh ingredients rather than flashy sauces led the authoritative guide Michelin to give her restaurants the coveted 3-star ranking as early as 1935 and to number her among France's master chefs. No other restaurant run by a woman had ever earned the top Michelin rating before. Her rise is all the more astonishing in light of her humble beginnings. Brazier was born on June 12, 1895 on a farm near Lyon. She grew up knowing poverty and hard work, but considered her agrarian roots idyllic. Woven into the stories of her young life are memories of the many delicious things she ate and made. In her posthumously published cookbook, Mere Brazier, the mother of modern French cooking, she recalled a soup her mother brought to her while she was tending pigs in the pasture, saying she had never eaten better. Brazier was mostly uneducated, attending school sporadically, but recalled in her book as always being ready for anything that might challenge me. There was no shortage of difficulties, beginning with the death of her mother when she was 10, having a child out of wedlock at 19, and living through 2 world wars. As the outset of First World War, Brazier went to work as a nanny in Lyon for the Michelin family, who also owned a bakery. She would eventually take over as the family cook because she enjoyed working at the stove. But the need to earn more money to support her son led her to work at Mere Brazier, a high-class establishment where the kitchen was always one only. 7 years after arriving in Lyon at the age of 26, she purchased a small grocery store on Rue Royale and it became Mere Brazier. It was a simple and elegant space. The main room had a large bay windows overlooking the street and earthenware tile on the walls in cream, grey and blue.